I'll just give us a summary on how do you know whether a report is internal or external. If it is internal, friends, the report is moving from inside the organization to the organization to the organization. If the report is inside the is initiated within the organization and the destination is still within that organization, either from you to the chief financial officer CFO, or from you to the managing director chief executive officer, or from you to your superior, whoever your superior is, or even from your department to the board of directors, you see, it is that such a report is classified as what? Internal report. And when a report is external, it is moving from your organization, from you, from internal, from inside the organization. Inside the organization, from inside to outside. That is, the user of external reports and the users are not usually within where the report is being generated. For example, if a report is moving from a chartered accountant firm to the client office, such a report is called external. If a report is moving from the tax practitioner's office to the client office, such a report is external. You understand it? Okay? And this is very important also for us to know, because the moment you miss it, your chances of having a successful report writing becomes very slim, very slim, very slim. Okay, the next thing we'll be talking about is who are your users. Who are the users of the report you are writing? Who are the users of the report you are writing? Who are the users of the report? Users of your report. And when we say users of your report, who are we talking about? We're talking about the people that will be benefiting. You don't just sit down and write report. You write report for the aim of benefiting others. So who is going to benefit while reading this report? This will help you to know how to structure your report. It will help you to know how to use appropriate terms, appropriate words, appropriate paragraphs, and appropriate appendices, like how to relate your appendices with your report, how to relate all the references with your report. This is what will help you to, in fact, for information's sake, who are the users of financial statement? For example, who are the users? We'll talk about creditors, we'll talk about the financial institution, we'll talk about government who is looking at the tax portion of your report, etc. So whoever the users are should help you to know how to form your report, how to write well. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, the next thing for now, which is going to be the last but not the least, is the structure of your report. The structure of your report. The structure of your report. Now, the structure of your report, we usually call it answer plan. Your answer plan, that is how to plan your answers. Like I said in one of our videos earlier, please, you will do well to go through the video. Also, another video, I talked about how answer plan. That this is what I usually do, personal. This is what I usually do. That whenever I want to write a report, I sketch out my point in the order with which I want them to appear. You understand it? In fact, we usually put a bullet like 1.01. You understand? Maybe that is your your executive summary. Executive summary. You understand it? Then 1.02, or you say 1.01211 will be under the executive summary. That means you are writing introduction under the executive summary. Under the executive summary, you are writing introduction. 1.012, maybe under the executive summary, you are writing revenue, maybe revenue, and so on. And probably by the time you get to the body of the report itself, under your introduction will now be 2.01. I hope you are following. You see, these are ways to plan your work. So it is answer plan that will show you, that will help us to go through your work sequentially. It will make it to be sequential. It will make it to be in order. It will not be muddled up. So you must have structure, good structure for your report, for you to have a successful report writer. I hope this makes sense to us. And my name is Deji one more time, and I will see you in my next class. Please, before I go, let us share our pages. We appreciate some of us that have been subscribing. This really amazes us. Thank you so much. But please, let's keep sharing, let's keep subscribing, let's keep liking the page for wider view on social media. We appreciate you, and I will see you in my next class. Thank you so much.